Sister Saving You Cents, and welcome back, Scent Savers. Today is May the 29th. Sunday, May the 29th. We hope that you've had a really great Memorial Day weekend, and we hope that you enjoy Memorial Day tomorrow. So, guys, I am at the house right now. I'm going to be running out to CVS soon, and yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys know. CRTs are not juicy this week, once again. And so my kind of thought process now is that I think I'm going to, I have an old account from years ago that I've never signed up with the Care Pass. I think I'm gonna start utilizing that account. So if you guys think that that would be a good idea, or if you would kind of like to see how that journey goes. Now, it's not gonna be a brand new account. I've had it for a while, but it's never truly been used. I've never had a Care Pass with it. So speaking of Care Pass, this is the perfect time for me to kind of start this journey. So, let me cut my phone off. So right now, CVS is actually doing a promotion with Care Pass. So if you guys do not know what Care Pass is kind of like CVS's like membership. So when you join, some of the benefits are that you pay $5 and you get $10 back in Care Pass rewards, which is very similar to an extra care buck. So it literally pays for itself every month. So it's kind of like you pay that $5 and you get some great benefits. So some of them is that you receive 20% off CVS Health, which we love, and I think it's also Live Better. So it's like CVS Health brand products, okay? Then you also receive same day RX delivery, which I have used it. Okay, it works really well. You get free shipping on select items. So those are the Care Pass items you get free shipping on. And you also can get free shipping on things that are not Care Pass as long as you have a Care Pass item in the cart online. And then you also have the 24/7 pharmacy line, which is nice. So yeah, those are some of the benefits. Now, let's go ahead and run in the store. Let's see what we can get. I'm telling you right now, probably not gonna be too much. Let's go do this. All right, y'all. Okay guys, so I am really bummed right now because I rushed over here to come do this deal, and guys, we don't even carry the one that I'm looking for. So the key to this deal, and this is on the Axe and Dove dry spray deodorants, and some of the regular deodorants as well. They're buy one get one 50% off, and spend 20 get a $7 extra care buck. But to do this deal, you need the aluminum free dry spray. So I'm gonna explain the deal, and I'm just not gonna be able to actually do it, but it should work just fine. So you're gonna pick up 2 of the Dove Men dry sprays priced at $8.99, and then you're gonna pick up 1 of the Degree spray deodorants priced at $7.99. Okay, y'all, so once you pick up 1 of the Degrees, and it can be the women's, on the shop kick it shows the women's, which you'll see here in a moment, but it doesn't specifically say it has to be a specific Degree deodorant. So pick up 1 Degree and 2 of the Dove Men's Zero. Okay, your prices may be higher or lower, so just adjust your math accordingly. Now, once you pick up all 3 of those items, it's going to equal up to $21.46 or $21.47. I was going to use a 2 off of 2 printable coupon, and that was from my Dove emails. And then I was going to use a $2 digital coupon, a 3 off of 15 deodorant CRT, and a $2 CRT. I'll pay $12.47, get back a $7 extra care buck, and then we're going to submit to Ibotta for that $4 Ibotta rebate for the Dove 0%. And then we'll submit to Shopkick. We'll get back $1.88 on the Dove, and then $1.88 on the Degree, making this transaction completely free and a $2.29 moneymaker. There's a lot of different ways to do this deal, guys, just depending on your CRTs. So yeah, I mean, go ahead and see if you can figure it out for yourself this week. Hopefully your location carries it. Let me know. All right, y'all. Alright y'all, so here's the next deal. This is a super easy deal, just using 1 CRT. So I have a $2 like soap or bar CRT, and the Suave is buy one get one 50% off, and when you buy 2 you get a $1 extra care buck. So I'm going to pick up 2. It's going to cost me $3.43. I don't have any other coupons. Maybe you do. I don't. I'm going to use that $2 CRT, pay $1.43, get back $1 in extra care bucks, making this just 43 cents. Alright y'all, so here is another deal. This is on the Colgate Optic White Renewal. These are on sale this week for $7.99. They're buy two, get a $6 extra care book. Now, mind you, this is not the best deal, but it is a deal if you need a roll extra care books this week. So pick up two for $15.98. We have a $3 digital coupon, okay? And then I have a 3 off of 15 CRT on my other account. I'm not going to be doing this deal, but I just wanted to give you an option. So use the $3 off of 15, use the $3 digital, okay? You're going to get back $6 in extra care bucks, and then you're going to submit to coupons.com for $3 back, making these just 98. All right, so here's the next deal. It's on the Bulldog razors. They're on sale this week for $9.99. We have a $4 digital coupon. Use that. You'll pay $5.99, and then you'll get back a $4 extra care buck, making this $1.99. But we also have a deal on the Schick razors, and this also works for the Skintimate. They're on sale this week for $8.99. We do have a $4 digital coupon. You'll pay $4.99. You'll get back $4 in extra care bucks, making one just 99 cents. So if you just have a smaller shave CRT this week, I would kind of give it a go, just so you can pick up a pretty decent deal. I was trying to figure out if there was something that I wanted to do, but this is the women's razors, the Bloom, the Skintimate. So pick up whatever you feel like will work for you. All right, y'all. Okay, so I wanted to mention the Axe body wash. Now, I do not have any CRTs that will work for this outside of the $2 CRT, but you need a little bit more than $2 to kind of make this deal work, but I wanted to mention it. So the Axe is buy one, get one 50% off, and they're $6.49. Check your CRTs. Some people have a couple of Axe CRTs that are making these free. So, all right, so here is the next deal. This is on the Hallmark cards. You're looking for any of the cards priced at $2.99. I'm going to end up picking up these two because they were the only two that I could find. They're both $2.99. I have two of these $3 off of 2 Hallmark CRTs, and so you only need to pick up 2. I'm going to use these 2. It's going to make both of them completely free. Super easy. All right, y'all, pick it on up. Okay, so this is a fantastic deal on cereal this week. Frosted Flakes specifically are $1.99. We have a $1 off of 2 printable coupon, and that was from the My Kellogg's website. So there's a couple different variations, but that's on the Kellogg's Family Rewards website, okay? So print one of those. You'll end up paying $2.98 for 2. And then we also have Ibotta rebates for select ones. I know that the Frosted Flakes has 50 cents back on Ibotta, so you could submit for that 2 times, making your final price just $1.98 or 99 cents for both. And this is a fantastic deal. So here's the next deal. This is on the Banana Boat. Now guys, there's a lot of different Banana Boat options. However, this is the most affordable one that we have in the store that is attaching to all of my CRTs. Keep in mind that this is something that you could also do online because there's no specific deal going on with the Banana Boat this week. So it's $9.29. I have a $2 coupons.com app. This is also a printable coupon, y'all, so you can print it as well. And then I also have 2 CRTs that are attaching, a $3 Banana Boat and a $4 Banana Boat, which is going to end up taking off $7. So I'll pay $2.29. I'll get back the $2 on coupons.com, making it just 29 cents. So not a bad deal. Okay, so we're back with the CoverGirl. It's on sale again this week. It is buy 2, get a $6 extra care buck. And this is what I'm thinking about picking up this time. Now, last week I ended up using my $4 digital coupon, and I do not have any more of the $4. So I'm thinking about picking up, and I have them in my hand. So I'm thinking about picking up one of the CoverGirl blushes things. This is $7.79. You can also pick up the concealer. It's also $7.79, but that I don't want the concealer. I'd probably use the blush more than anything. And then the other thing I want to actually pick up is this CoverGirl Priming Glow Mist, and these are the clean fresh skincares. This one is priced at $13.79. Now, I will let you know that the 6 off of 20 that I have as a CRT for the CoverGirl is not attaching to this because it's not a cosmetic item, but I do have $10 in CRTs for the Priming Glow Mist, and then yeah, so that's what I'm going to use. So I have $10 in CRTs. That's my plan to use with this. I'm hoping that the $4 digital coupon attaches, but I also have the paper coupon format here, and then I have the $4 digital coupon for this. So if all goes well, it'll end up being free plus a moneymaker. If all does not go well, then it'll end up being $7.58 after coupons, and I'll get $6 back. But I'm gonna test it out and see what happens. I'm not gonna get it for $1.58. So just a heads up on that. But kind of some different ideas for what you can pick up. But guys, this is my cart. I'm literally about to head to the front. I'm not picking up too much today because my CRTs are not giving. So I hope that you have better CRTs than me, but let's head to the front and let's see how things go. All right.
Listen, I know I'm exactly where I was when you guys see me in the intro, but I just got a new sofa and it is cozy in this corner, so we just hop right back in the corner. But I've got to share with you the goodies that I got from CVS before we even go over the receipt, because y'all seen I really didn't get too much, so there's not a lot to talk about, but this is what we can talk about. So they gave me these goodie bags when I came in, so we're about to go through these goodie bags. So this is one of them, and I asked them, I said, well, they were like, they're just for y'all. CVS just wanted to say thank you. Well, thank you, CVS. So this is one of them that I received. And then the other one is this one. So let's start with this one first. And then they also gave me some for my sister. Because if you guys don't know, Tamika works on Sundays. So let's go through the snack bag first. So this one has some lesser evil popcorn, which we all know and love. We have a Neil Med sinus inhaler. We will be using this. We have Nature Made, jelly bean sample with a lovely $3 coupon on the back. You know we're gonna use that. Then we also have some lens wipes. Whoo, girl always needs those. Some liquid IV, which I've heard is great, but I've never tried. We have some BioTrue Hydration Boost for the eyes, for dry eyes, a sample pack here. And then we also have a Refresh digital, it's a lubricating eye drop as well. Super cute. And then we also have the CVS Healthier Happens Together, $27 in savings inside. Let's go through this and see what's in here. Ooh, okay. Listen, y'all, make sure you go get these. If you can get them, if your store is passing them out, let me know if you guys have seen them. These are some really great coupons. So that's the first bag. The second bag, let's see what's in the second bag here. So we have another inhaler. We have the Zyrtec Soothing Face Wipes, which I've been wanting to try. So I'll let you know about that. We also have some of the same items, the BioTrue. We have another liquid hydration, but let me tell you the best thing in this one, the jelly beans. We have a whole bottle of the Nature's Bounty hair, skin, and nails jelly beans right here, okay? So, and then also that same pack of coupons. So let me know if you all got those. Okay, so let's kind of go over the receipt really quickly. So I had the two $3 CRTs come off for the Hallmark. I had the $4 banana boat and the $3 banana boat come off, as well as the $2 paper coupon that came off as well. And then here was the surprise with the CoverGirl, which worked out well. So in the video I had said that the 6 off of 20 was not attaching to the priming mist because it wasn't a cosmetic, I guess. I feel like it's a cosmetic, but maybe not. Because primer is, but anywho, let's not get into the details. It was not attaching to that item, so I knew it was not gonna come off. So I had clipped the $4 digital coupon, but I also had a $4 paper. The $4 paper coupon scanned, and so it worked. So both of the CoverGirl items were $21.58. I had the $4 paper coupon, the $4 digital coupon for the face, and then I had the $6 CoverGirl Skin and a $4 CoverGirl Cleanse CRT. Now the Cleanse CRT came off at $3.79. And because that basically covered the entire cost, the $13.79, as you can see on the receipt here, it is like zeroed out. And it's zeroed out because all of that was applied. So yeah, hopefully you can see that. But yeah, so I ended up paying $3.79 for the CoverGirl, and then I received a $6 extra care buck. So really fantastic deal this week. So that little haul ended up being a moneymaker, even though it wasn't much. But guys, let me know what kind of deals you'll be doing this week, what kind of CRTs you got, and what your thoughts are about me trying to start or rev up a new account to get some juicy CRTs. All right, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget about the Care Pass because this is a fantastic promotion. All the links will be down in the description box below, so go ahead and sign up as I will be signing up my other account as well, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.